My finish is done. If you've done another finish besides French polish, you've done something else, awesome. Please share with me what you're doing. I'd love to see it. I'm going to take the tape off because it is time to put the neck on. It is about time, friends. If you've done taping like this, you may need to take a razor along the edge of the tape to break that shellac, because we don't want to rip up our shellac and peel our French polish right off the guitar. That would be, oof, that'd be awful. Looks like I left a little bit of blue tape on there. Gotta get that off. Looks like I got a little bit of shellac where it didn't have tape covering. Now I'm gonna put some clamps on this underneath. Remember, we have to go over the upper transverse bar and get a clamp probably right on our popsicle stick brace. I'm going to try and get a clamp here, and maybe a clamp here right around this area. I've gotten all the tape removed from the neck. Take one more look at the neck and make sure there aren't any glue deposits, dust, debris, anything like that, especially right in this corner that would cause us to have a bad glue up. That looks pretty clear to me. I like it. Okay. Still looks like it fits pretty well, but it does look like I've got a couple of hard wax oil deposits right here that I do want to take care of. Let's scrape those off. Check the other side. I'm not scraping hard enough to remove any wood. Just lightly scraping to pull some of that hard wax oil that had dried. That's it. All right, fit looks great. Happy with that. I also need to prepare my clamps, and part of that is to put a large caul inside here on the other side of this transverse brace, because otherwise I will crush that transverse, and I want to get behind it and get it tall enough so that my clamps can clear it when I'm clamping down. Remember that your clamping caul on the inside needs to accommodate for the truss rod. That's why I use this. Check that. Yep, that fits just fine. Cool. All right. I'm really focused on just gluing the spruce to the underside of the fretboard, and I don't need to glue the neck to the guitar at the mortise. Those bolts are going to do plenty of holding. All right. Yeah, that's pretty good. Make sure your barrel nuts are aligned correctly. Okay, my neck bolts are semi-tightened inside of there. Finish off those bolts screw them into place. I've got the caul inside. I'm going to flip this upside down. This is profiled a little bit for that radius of the fretboard. Just going to get one more right on the very edge. So now the neck is gluing. I'll let this sit for maybe an hour. Then after about 10 minutes or so, just take a look underneath, and I can see I've got a little bit of squeeze out under there, right there behind the caul, that I do want to make sure I get. So I'll leave this on for about 10 minutes, pull the clamp off, get that squeeze out. Have any on this side? Yep, just a little bit. So get those squeeze outs taken care of before they get too hard and dry on the finish. Put the clamps back on, leave it in for an hour, and then pull the clamps off, and we'll get started on mounting the bridge.